weche ntiere kama thoth ahinya sa oseromo samone ka kawe eyueyo ni kene dudie kama ituolo kachiel koda kwa
nitiere errors moko ma individual ok nya yiene to get away with. Yeah, and in fact kowacho na baro wiye tiende ni is very silly. Yeah, nikech mana already you should have told him not to say na baro wiye, because I was answering the question my name no wacho no dwaro the law article 23 sub article 2b ma establish the public service commission and how you conduct yourself when you are in public. Ere law in isolation kan and onge law ma wacho stepping aside. The person is on duty at the level of Deputy Inspector General. And in fact, Karakajo waneno gigi. Tie ji moko masamoro karaki wacho. To maro Ojwang oken gi moro minyalo wacho ni now winjo no wacho ni mere accusation. Ma oken mere accusation. This is a life man dhano moto. Monegi elwet police. Momi jubeni rite. And police ni emuchiwo instruction on odhi omedala gi kuma entie gi jonyuolne. Then okabe to kill aso negi. And winjo ni akiangi mangani defend ka. Yeah, in fact, manga they one called the studio that page honestly gimo or the venani in Kitumanka because my is too painful and then in the law there's what we call bad for test in ka or what your common intentions kata wagole criminal side of common intentions wakele kata civil side wabedu gimilu vicarious liability liability you take by action of your junior. So long as ni employee mara ari endiki kaka drepa tigwenga atendara gigacha oye donje na kaka wuon gari under vicarious liability because I have a duty to optimize working under me. Deputy Inspector General is in charge of police, including Kanja. Mane momiona kelo Kanja also here. Ni gimilungo ni kivu there civil. It is vicarious liability. Kibiro into this. It is common intention in criminal side. Gimanyaka owadwa ninge. Anjo pinyaka nge. O kwa the relent Edward there. These people count necessary responsibility. And this responsibility the president. Again, Ruto must go, Lagat must go, Kanjagirigo must go because it is duty of state to protect lives. Life of Ojwang and many lives Mabedo lost every day carelessly because in the hands of police or in hands by people should be protected by police. And mani mawawajoka about Ojwang alone. It's about the pain piny is suffering as a people.
Erokamano Ondiek. Nenang'anyo mamokalo Lagat must go or step aside or go.
He has not gone. Going means and wadwaro ni waneni Lagato bedarendi. Kama waneno ka OCS chuteri wadwan wanene doc wadwan ene coat wadwan ene ka ikiketo wadwan luete ko ka fingerprints ne utere kacha nikech en adversely mentioned gini has started with him nikech dine okukelo complaint kaka wakilo wacho dine okodhi omako Ojwang dine Ojwang okoyudore police station dine Ojwang okoyudore koto
adhi duogo iri mondo